Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation, episode number 76. And the topic for today is listen to the universe. Let me give you 3 pointers. Pointer 1, stop banking on closed doors. When a path meets repeated friction, ask yourself, is this a test of persistence or is the universe telling me to adjust my approach? Alignment always creates momentum faster than the brute force. Point number 2, unplanned moments. A delayed deal, a cancelled client meeting, an unexpected objection are rarely pure bad luck. They are often signals highlighting a gap in your preparation or opening up time for a much important higher priority task. Third one is intuition and internal signals. The universe often communicates through microfeedback. An uneasy feeling you are getting during a negotiation, or a sudden spark to call a dormant prospect, or a subtle hint from a client about an underlying pain point. These are all hints the universe is giving you to act on it. So, friends, in order to listen to the universe, we have to slow down a little bit in our mind and start listening to that hint the world is giving us, our internal voice is giving us, and make the best use of it. Greetings once again. See you soon by next week. Signing off, this is Subramanian, Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.